Hi students, I just wanted to talk to you about your assignment. So this is lesson 10 on rounding to the nearest 10 or 100. You will notice that they have provided you with some number lines on the first few problems just to give you an idea how to use that number line. But you can also use your number chart that's in that plastic sleeve in your DMA blue folder. And also you can use, I showed you a video yesterday on how to create your own number line. So let's go ahead and get started. Notice that the first two problems are rounding to the closest 10. It has the number already between the two tens that you would locate 47 at. So you would plot your point, place a point where that 47 would be. And then remember, when you're rounding to the closest 100, use 5 as your guiding number. So if it's less than 5, which would be 44, 43, 42, 41, it rounds to 400 or 40. If it's 46, 47, 48, 49, or 45, because 45 is in the middle, we would round it up to 50. Same thing with 168. Plot your point. Remember that 165 is your middle between your two tens. And if it's greater than 165, we round down. If it's less than 165, we round down. If it's greater than 165, we round up. Same thing, be careful. This time you're rounding to the closest 100. So they have this placed between the 200 marks. Plot your point of 139, where that would be about. And then remember, 150 is our middle mark. So if we are using our middle, remember that 150, we're rounding down. If anything is less than 50 in our tens place, we round down to 100. If it's greater than 50, we would round up to 200. So you are going to practice using your chart or number line on 6 through 11. And then on the back of this page, you're going to practice doing rounding to the nearest 100. Be sure to maybe, if you still need some practice, use a number chart or a number line. Please make sure to round each to the reminding that you need to read directions carefully. Please write an answer statement for these word problems, which means the question asks us to round to the nearest 10. How many students are in Miss Turney's class? We would say there are blank students in Mrs. Turney's class. Reminder, rounding to the nearest 10, rounding to the nearest 100. And then for 2023, you will write on those lines to show your work. Thank you, and have a great day.